Hi, this is Andy Wood with Titan Home Lending. With April 15th fast approaching and many of your borrowers about to file their tax returns, I think it's very important that I send out this email today. Please forward it to your customers, or your prospects, or anybody you think is going to be buying in the next 12 months. Because a lot of your customers are unaware that unreimbursed business expenses are deducted dollar for dollar for their qualifying income. What I mean by that is that we've had two customers here recently which have applied for a pre-approval. One customer was a government employee making a $45,000 base salary. When we reviewed her tax return, she was writing off mileage and business use of her home, $24,000. So she will not be able to buy in 2014. We had another customer who was a manager at Walmart and decided she was going to write off unreimbursed mileage on her tax returns. It took her from making a $60,000 salary down to making a $40,000 salary. I can't tell you enough how important it is your customers understand that something as simple as a $2,500 unreimbursed business expense will make the difference of $20,000 in qualifying. If they write off $5,000 in business expense, that's $40,000 in qualifying this year that they won't be able to buy. And if your customer gets aggressive and writes off $10,000, which many of them do with business use of the home and their mileage, now they're at $100,000 less in qualifying. This is a very important thing for you to know. I encourage you to forward this to all your customers. At Titan Home Lending, we do all our pre-approvals. We require pay stubs, bank statements, tax returns, W-2s, corporate and business tax returns, because these are things that we can review now with them, and maybe they can refile their expenses and not write them off. This will make a big difference for your customer. Many banks, credit unions, and online companies do not review tax returns when they're doing a pre-qual. So I encourage you to give us a call. My phone number is 727-410-9663, and my website is www.titanhl.com. Thank you so much for listening, and we'll be here whenever you need us. Thanks.